Let's learn how to free up RAM for Mobile Legend. For this method, you don't need to be in Mobile Legend app, so go out of them. Then you can see a cleaner app where you need to click. This app clean all your unnecessary files and other things, so you need to click on the clean app in the bottom of the screen and wait to finish it. When you finish it, go out and find Boost Speed Up and click on them. This app cleaning your RAM space. When you finish it, open a settings app on your phone and then go to the storage of your phone. You can see that how many storage space is used. Then you can see on the right side of the screen how many memory space is used and what thing is used. Next, go to click on apps and data, and now go to see list of all your apps and go to uninstall unnecessary apps. When you do that, go back and do same for the other things below to the app and data. When you finish it, go again on apps and data, and now go on all your apps and do this. Open first app and you can see how many this app use chess, and on the bottom of the screen you can see an option called clear chess and click on it. Now click on OK to clear chess for this app, and next you need to do that with all apps you have on phone, and that's it. Now you will have RAM space for Mobile Legend. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.